Weesdean is a very special place to learn musical instrument making. Also, only place in Europe where you can learn to make viola da gambas, because we have this historical approach of the making, but also we learn a lot about the historical context of the instruments. We get to learn about wood turning. We do marquetry, carving, a week of bow making. We do varnish making as well, and every year we do study trips in museums.
So actually before the course I was a chef in around Liverpool, and I wanted a change. I was actually researching for art courses, but then I had an advertisement of this place and I was like, wow, what is this place? It looks like Hogwarts. So I ended up looking at all the courses. And I'm quite musical, I love playing guitar and stuff like that. So then I found musical instruments, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to go for it. Weesdean is the best choice for me, and doing this course is because I get to combine using my hands. So I'm getting to design, but then also make. And I love, it's all about knife skills. So being a chef beforehand to now, it's like a nice cross between. So I started off with no experience in woodworking, and now I'm building a violin, and I'm understanding how the processes work.
I chose this course because it had a really hands-on approach in its making. My favourite part of the course is the workshop, really. Being able to have everyone in at the same time invites a lot of conversation about making, which really improves your problem solving. And the low student to teacher percentage means that you get a really tailored tutorship. Outside of the workshop, I feel like the community at Weesdean is really warm. It's quite a small campus, not many students, but I feel that lends in well to the environment that's being curated here. I came in to this course with no experience whatsoever, and I've come out of this with 3 instruments. So I feel like it covers a lot of practical usage as well as business practice as well.